Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to avoid a speeding ticket. First, always be aware of the posted speed limits. These limits can change frequently, particularly in construction areas or near schools. For instance, a highway limit of 65 miles per hour might drop to 35 miles per hour in a work zone. Staying informed about these changes is your first line of defense against an unexpected ticket. Next, adopt smart driving practices. Maintaining a safe following distance, typically 3 to 4 seconds behind the car in front, gives you time to react. Using cruise control on long stretches of highway can help you stay at a consistent, legal speed. Also, avoid sudden acceleration or aggressive lane changes, as these actions can draw unwanted attention from law enforcement. Vigilance is key to avoiding a ticket. Continuously scan your surroundings for police vehicles or common speed trap locations. While it is important to follow the speed limit, also observe the general flow of traffic. Driving significantly slower or faster than others can be risky. Exercise extra caution in unfamiliar areas or during nighttime driving conditions. Finally, if you are pulled over, remain calm and follow these steps. Safely pull your vehicle to the side of the road and activate your hazard lights. Keep your hands clearly visible on the steering wheel. When the officer approaches, be polite and cooperative, providing your license, registration, and insurance as requested. Your respectful demeanor can make a significant difference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.